In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to partially fulfill an order on Shopify. This is really useful if a customer has ordered multiple items, but only some of them are ready to ship. Maybe one product is out of stock, on back order, or shipping from a different location. Instead of holding the entire order, you can send what you have now and fulfill the rest later. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, customers, and of course, orders. Make sure you're logged in as a staff member with the right permissions to manage and fulfill orders. Once you're on the Shopify dashboard, look for the Orders section on the left-hand side menu. Click on Orders. This will open a list of all your recent orders, including those that are open, fulfilled, and partially fulfilled. From here, you want to find the unfulfilled order that you'd like to partially fulfill. You can scroll through the list, or use the search bar at the top to search by order number, customer name, or other details. When you've found the correct order, click on it to open the Order Details page. On the Order Details page, you'll see a breakdown of every item the customer has purchased, along with quantities, prices, and fulfillment status. By default, all items are usually selected to be fulfilled together. Because we only want to fulfill part of the order, we need to adjust those selections. Look for the list of line items and find the checkbox next to each product. Click on the checkbox next to the item you do not want to fulfill to uncheck it. This tells Shopify that this particular item will remain unfulfilled for now, while the others will be sent out. Take a moment to double check that only the items you're ready to ship are still checked. Once you're happy with the selection, scroll down and click on Mark as Fulfilled. This action will create a fulfillment for only the checked items, leaving the unchecked items in an unfulfilled state. Shopify will update the order status to show that it has been partially fulfilled, and depending on your settings, may send a notification to the customer with tracking details for the items that are on their way. And that's all there is to it. You've now partially fulfilled an order on Shopify, which helps you keep customers informed and orders moving, even when everything isn't